What's up, everybody? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back, guys. In this video, I'm talking about Quickswap token price update, price prediction about Quickswap. What's the price of Quick token? What's the price changes? So, let me show you these all updates about Quick in this short video. But guys, before starting this video, if you are new on my channel or if you don't subscribe our channel, so guys, make sure to subscribe our channel for more latest news and update videos. The right now price of Quick token in the market is about 335.09 cent. That's the right now price of Quickswap in the market. And other side, 8.78% the price jump in the market in last 24 hours. But other side, that is the good news for all Quickswap holders, that 62.51% trading volume positive. So that's been that a quick jump is coming soon, because if people invest more, so the market supply increase, and if the supply increase, so as a result, the price will pump ups. So that's why, guys, it's best time to enter in the market if you want to take a huge profit. As you know, it is a high price coin, so it will also give you a huge profit. So if you want to get a huge profit from Quickswap token, so I think it's good time to enter in the market. It's time to buy Quickswap token. And the last 24 hours in right now situation, it's really best, because now the price is very cheap in the market. Just look here, it's already dumped, so buy now on this point. And I'm sure about that. My prediction is that, guys, that they will come to this point. They will touch the resistance line, guys, so just buy now. Now Quickswap will start pumping. Buy now. It's time to buy Quickswap and make profit. Thanks for watching, guys. What's your prediction about Quickswap? Share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.